Hey y'all, it's Shelly. We have a 2023 full-size four-door Ford Bronco, and it did come with the silver or chrome wheel rings that we did not like, so we really wanted to swap them out. And we were very fortunate enough to be asked by the company to receive some new wheel rings in black for free in exchange for our honest and unbiased review. So the first thing we had to do was take off all of the screws on each one of the wheels, which was super easy to do with just an impact drill. They came right out easy peasy. We did make sure to, easily back them out because you don't want to strip them, because then you're going to be out of luck when you put the new ones on. So here are the nice new black ones. So we just popped those old silver ones off, and when you go to put the black ones on, be sure you pay attention to that little like jut out spot, because that's what's going to go around the valve stem. So you just want to line that up really good, and then they just sit right on there, and you'll just use that's that little like jut out I was telling you about right there. So you just line that up with the valve stem, like I said, and it goes right on. And then you use the screws from the old wheel rings to secure these new ones right on. And they look so much better. You can already tell how much better they're gonna look, definitely. But again, we just got each one of the screws started, and then we used the same impact drill to drive them in. Again, just being careful that you don't overly do it or do it too hard, because you don't want to strip out any of those screws. But look how much better they look. You can definitely see a difference. It looks so much better, and we were so much happier with the way it looks. So if you're on the fence about them, I would recommend them 100%. We absolutely love it, and I hope you do too.